Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to download MySQL workbench, how to set up it, and then how to start using your queries and how to use databases inside it. Okay, so first we will go to Google, just search MySQL download. Okay, go to the first website you see here, this one, MySQL downloads. Click here, and you need to go here at installer. We will go to MySQL installer 8.4. I will put the link in the description. This is the latest version. Just click on the MSI downloader. Okay, we need this one, community. We don't need web version. I will download this one. Okay, web means it will take the internet to download the things. It will hit this one, will download offline. It is an offline setup. We can click here, no thanks, just start my download. I will uninstall my internet downloader manager. Now let's just download it. Look, it started downloading. So it is downloaded, and we'll click on here on the installer. It will prepare the installer. I already have the kit installed, so it will also ask for internet. Look, I already have all of these installed. Okay, let's do one thing. uh, I will download this. I will close this. Let's go to our mm, lab. Look, we have labs here, so we will just try to download it inside our lab. Look, this one, and I will just you go to dashboard. Inside dashboard, you will see this lab. You will see this lab. Click here, power on. Okay, it will power on. It will show running here. Look, running. Now let's just connect. It will take 5 minutes to 7 minutes to connect it. Let's wait it. So our virtual machine is connected. Let's go to full screen, and inside full screen we already have internet here.
Let's go to browser. Again, same steps. MySQL, download, go to installer. Look at here, we have the community installer, and here we will download this one, offline installer. Download. Just start my download.
Damn, I got 80 MB of speed. This is the first time, and it is not in my machine, it is virtual machine. Click here. Yeah, you will see like this version, and please don't go server only. It will only install server, then you will be have to again do everything manually, install workbench, install the client, install everything. Just go with the full, or you can go with the custom also. If you go with custom, you will be having options to add from here. Look at here, you can add the DB. Okay, and you can add the workbench also here. Workbench, you can add the shell, you can add the router, you can add documentation, you can add sample databases. These sample databases we need. Okay, we will need every single sample database for working, so that's why I will do full download. In this full download, it will install everything. It will install workbench, it will install server, it will install documentation, it will install sample and examples. Let's go next. Look, it will download everything. Execute. Then we will configure the server, uh, this server to a local host. Then that local host will be used inside this workbench to connect. Okay, so it is downloaded, completed. Let's go to next step. We need to configure it. Don't cancel it yet. Okay, all three are ready to configure. Let's go configure. Now look, this we need. Our current configuration will be development computer. We are not using it as a server or as anything. We are using it to develop. We are using it uh, for our own development purposes, and we will be using TCP/IP port. These are the default settings. Keep it as it is. It will add these ports in the inside the firewall also, so we don't need to worry anything. Let's go to next. We will use a strong password. We need a password here, and you can read if you want this, but it is just talking about the password and nothing else. Here I will get a password which is a root password. Uh, I will give root only because even after some years I will remember this because we are using it for the practice purposes. I am using it root. I will add one user. My name is Puneet, so I will add Puneet, and I will add all host here. Let it be however it is. I will add root. Okay, let's click OK. We have a new user. Next, start my SQL server at startup. We can put this also because if we don't do this, uh, there is a process in which after if you want to use MySQL Workbench, you will need to start server and then connect that server to Workbench and then use Workbench. So they both will be connected through a port. And if you don't know how to start the server, I will recommend you to keep this selected standard account. It will be logged in as a standard account inside the server. Next, yes, grant full access running the Windows services. All the Windows services will be running and administrator groups and everything. Okay. Next. Now let's execute. These are all the things it will execute. Now we will need to configure the router. Server is configured, router configuration is needed. Let's go bootstrap MySQL router for the use for. Now we don't need anything here. We can give uh, no, we are not using it for the DBs. We will just go finish. Next, server password will be root. Okay, let's check if my password is correct. Password is correct, connection is connected. Now my it is server is connected. Okay, I have given the right password. My username is also a root. It will execute the scripts. Okay, so these are all the configurations are done. Finish. We can directly go to next installation steps. Now it will start the workbench, and then it will start the SQL shell after setup. Okay, let's click finish. This is the SQL shell, MySQL shell. This one, it will run and it might ask for ID password also. Okay, now workbench is ready. Look, it is on this localhost port. Our machine is running. I can give the password root because I am going to use it every time. So I will save the password in the vault. Okay, look, my this is turned on. Now how to use it? Go to schemas. You will see default databases. Look at here. Circular is the default databases. These are the tables in the circular. Actor address. City. Click here and you can see the table. Look at here all these tables and all these addresses. On this, click here. It will execute. This means execute. So it will execute this command and it will give us. So let's first create a table. So I create a database. Create db1. Create a database db. Okay. These are the first database. We are going to execute this one. And the database is will refresh here. Database is created. Now let's give use db. Okay, so we will execute this command. Now it is using this one and we can create tables here. So create table emp and we will give a column. Okay, we need to add some columns here, so we will just add column. What is it? Employee id. We need int, and we need e name. Sir told never give name as a column name, give something, some context. For example, e name is employee name, like that. Give some context so that you will not be confused, and system will be not be confused, because name is an internal keyword. So varchar is a variable, int is a variable. We will give 40 size of varchar, okay, and that's it. I will give. So let's run this one and see if our table is created. Look, our table is created. I will refresh here, and look, this is my table. Now let's see if my table is there or not. DSC, and what is my table? EMP, because we are already using this DB, so it should run, and it should show our table. And also we have only this one table here. Look at here. This is my employee ID column. This is int. This is null value, yes. This is null value, yes. We can give constant of not null, and uh, by far what I have learned, everyone says that we should give uh, not null to almost every column. Not all the column, obviously. Some columns don't have not null, some columns can have null values. So yeah, this was the setup of MySQL. Look, it is very easiest thing in the world you will do. Okay, so bye bye. I will shut down this virtual machine. Look, I have in this virtual machine. I will shut down it. No, no, no. I will not shut down it. I will turn off. Here I will stop. Don't shut down, please. Stop, and then here you will be having option to. We'll go to dashboard. Look, it is already stopped. I clicked on stop. It got stopped. In my labs also, you can see it is showing the start option. It is not showing the stop option. So it is already stopped. Okay. That's it, guys. Follow, like, share, subscribe, and comment down what topic you do need next.